Hello there, Aquarius. I'm Sandy Anastasi, psychic channel, intuitive astrologer, and soul coach. And I'm here with your astrological and psychic predictions for October of 2018. If you had children, Aquarius, you can expect some powerful interactions with them this month. This is a great time for social activities and for working out family disputes. If you don't have kids, you still have a great month ahead, as the same aspects that are setting the stage for you and your kids to connect are also enhancing your skill at all kinds of games of chance, as well as your luck and your romantic life. Interesting how those two things are often connected, isn't it? This month will shed new life on your finances and give you time to pay some attention to your health and household chores too. Have a wonderful month of October and enjoy a very happy Halloween. This is my very favoriteest month. I just love Halloween, and I hope you have some great times ahead of you. Please visit my website. I'm at www.sandyanastasi.com. Sign up for my free psychic hour while you're there, and check out my upcoming online psychic Anastasi system of psychic development class that starts in January. You get a great discount by registering early for it. And also check out my upcoming psychic cruise for 2019. These are some wonderful opportunities. And I've released a couple of classes recently I would love you to check out too. Tarot Level 1, Tarot Level 2, and also, just this month, Psychic Protection Tips. These classes are cutting-edge technology. They deliver themselves to your smartphone or whatever device you like to carry with you. So they are classes and learning on the go. Cutting-edge technology and the very best classes available from me. Find out on my website how to get a reading too if you want to get one on or around Halloween. This is a great time of year for a reading. I'll see you soon with more psychic protection and psychic development tips, and also with your psychic predictions for next month. Bye for now.